Hello, hello. Hi, happy Monday, everyone. Welcome to Critters Crochet. I'm Teresa, and I'm so happy that you're here. Um, wow, busy weekend, very busy weekend. We went to a youth conference in Gatlinburg at our Pigeon Forge, actually, and heard some amazing lessons and just had fun time with our church group, and it, uh, it was just an amazing weekend. I am so uplifted and so pumped up and ready to go that I'm just excited. It was a great time. Of course, took crochet with me and worked on some things for my vendor event that I'm going to be in this weekend. I've got blankets downstairs that I'm going to put in there, but I found this really neat headband tutorial on YouTube, and super easy. Each headband took about 15 minutes to make, and it's just super simple. You do on your chains, and then you do half double crochets across the chain. Then the next row is a chain three, and then you do half double crochet, chain one, skip a space, half double crochet, chain one, skip a space, and then the third row is another row of half double crochet, and then you sew each end to a hair tie so that makes it stretchy so it'll fit different sized heads or whatever, and that's it. And I ended up making there are 25 headbands in here. 25. Crazy. So anyway, but I love this. So that's one of the things I'm going to have. Um, and I've got amigurumis. I've been working on those. You guys saw those in last week's videos, my amigurumis. And so for let's see, there's been so much going on. I got sick, all that crazy mess. I'm a lot better. My voice is back. Hallelujah. So I'm feeling so much better. Um, but I'm also doing um Erin with Crafty Kitty, Crafting Kitty. She is doing creator spotlights each month, and February is Marley Bird. And so I've just been so busy with everything else that I got behind. And what I'm working on with the Marley Bird, I think I showed you guys this already, but it's her perfect poncho. Um, yeah, I was gonna look on there. Guess it doesn't say, but it's her perfect poncho um pattern. And I don't know, guys. I think I just might be able to get this done before tomorrow, and get it submitted. But we shall see. So here's the first panel. I'm gonna stand up and show this to you. It's huge. But here's the first panel. Is this not massive? Let me stand back a little further. But here's the first panel. And I've got to make another panel just like it. Okay. And I really love it. It's really cool. Let me get my chair back here. I love it because it's real simple. It's just a 4-row repeat, and it's made up of small shells. Well, this is upside down, but um, see if I can get this to focus here. It's a row of the repeats are just small shells made with double crochet and large shells made with triple crochet. And in between each row is a row of single crochet chain 3. That's it. It's so easy. You can find this pattern on Yarnspirations called the Perfect Poncho. And so then, like you see in the picture, once you get your two panels made, then it's just a matter of sewing up your seams and putting it over your head. So I think I might be able to get this done. We shall see. So, and then we've got things we're making Thursday, that going on, and that'll be the pillows. So starting Wednesday, I'll be able to tell you more about that. And my calendar, which let me get that down. Well, come here, calendar. Um, my calendar, my February purse did not happen. I've run out of time. So I'm going to continue to work on that purse for the February colors, but then I'm going to have to show that to you next month while I finish it up and then begin March. So here's March's colors. Look at those blues. It's still the same blues. I'm going to have a lot of blues and browns and white. So anyway, but there's the colors for March. And I mean, with the greens and the browns, I could probably do some kind of St. Patty's Day thing. We shall see about that. I'll have to figure that out and let you guys know what I decided to do. So anyway, but that's what's going on with me. I am heading to Hobby Lobby today, and my sister's driving, so I'm gonna crochet while she's driving. It's about an hour drive to the Hobby Lobby where we're going, and just gonna have a sister day today. And yeah, finish up my poncho, get some things done here around the house, and yeah, that's what I've got to get done this week. So like I said, we had a great weekend with my husband, my son, some other kids from our church. I mean, we just had a good weekend. It was great, and great to get away to and just have some time. So I will post pictures this weekend. Hopefully, I'll be able to take a lot of pictures of our event this weekend, and I can share that with you next Monday. Let's see, tomorrow, and it is my goal, since I've gotten myself caught up on what I'm doing for the vendor event. So I really am hoping that, and yeah, back here you can see here's my squirrel happening, but I've got a few earrings. I'm going to take those with me and sell those earrings. Um, but yeah, I will do my best to have some pictures from that vendor event. And then my goal, now that I've gotten somewhat caught up, my goal is to start working on filming some tutorials too. And let's see. Oh, I was going to have this pulled up for you guys to share. I'm really excited. I've gotten some new subscribers to my channel. So my channel is up to 358 subscribers. I'm so excited. Now let me do some math real quick. That is 142 away from 500. So guys, if you are new here, if today is the first time you've stumbled across my channel, then welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by and spent a little time with me today. And I would really love it if you could hit that like button, maybe share a comment. Also, if you would hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you would share this and let your friends know, if you have friends that crochet and would just enjoy this, you think they would enjoy this channel, then share this with them. Let them know about it, because when I get to 500 subscribers, I'm doing another giveaway. So let's get that up there. 142 away. That is so super close. It's not even funny. So yeah, my goal this week is to work on more tutorials and have those up. And I'm going to create a playlist for my tutorials so that they're easy to find. So yeah, I'm going to be working on those. I've got a tutorial for a skirt that I made. I've got, let's see, what else did I do a tutorial on? A skirt. I'm going to work on one for a bag that I'm creating. Um, what else? I had so many ideas. Um, Earrings. Let me think. There was something else. Oh, my sweater, my cardigan. So there's quite a few. I've got to get paper out and make a list of everything. But yeah, that's what I'm planning on. So just wanted to pop on here real quick today, guys, and let you know what's coming up and what I've been doing. And yeah, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. I hope you have an amazing day today. And thanks for stopping by. Have a great day and talk to you soon. Bye, guys.